Imagine you're facing the world champion. Most players would dream of surviving, but today, young Indian prodigy Gukesh writes his own heroic story. Can he hold Magnus Carlsen in a tense, never-ending fight? Let's dive into one of the most resilient draws ever played in the London system. Carlsen begins with his beloved London system, staking out space and ready to squeeze every tiny advantage. By move 7, he sacrifices a pawn, the first blow, a sign he wants to destroy his young opponent. But Gukesh refuses to collapse. He calmly parries Carlsen's threats, accurate knight moves, strong defense, and a series of timely trades to defuse the early attack. Now, White's queen and bishops prowl on both flanks. Carlsen seeks weaknesses everywhere, c5, b6, f4. Gukesh's position looks close to breaking, but move after move, he holds. Notice move 13, Gukesh doesn't panic, he trades queens and bishops, taking yet more pressure out of the game. Suddenly, Carlsen opens the kingside, the pawns start to advance, rooks swing across, every piece targets black's defenses. But Gukesh builds his wall brick by brick, rook to c8, pawns to f6, e5. No way in. Magnus doubles up, sacrifices, breaks open files, and in the chaos, after 30 moves, it's still unclear who's better. Then Gukesh finds resource after resource, not giving in, pushing back. Each move, the threat level is maximum, but he doesn't flinch. With only rooks, knights, and pawns left over, the pressure is insane. It's a dance of calculation, one slip, and Magnus wins. But Gukesh keeps cool, rook maneuvers, perpetual checks, and the legendary stalemate patterns. At the very end, neither side can make progress, true mutual respect, and a draw. This was no boring draw. It was a lesson in heart, calculation, and unbreakable defense. Remember, chess is not only about attacking but also about holding the line against the very best. Did you spot Gukesh's key defensive ideas? Would you have survived under this pressure? Share your thoughts, and let's celebrate this heroic save together.